We've announced a ban on all events of 1,000 persons or more. Those are large.
Kansas City Mayor Quinton Lucas first announced the state of emergency on March 12th, as well as a halt to all travel by city staff. There were only 3 known cases of coronavirus in the metro area at the time. 10 days later, the leaders of the 4 largest governments in the metro showed regional unity to announce stay-at-home orders.
All of the public health officers signed orders that require residents of our counties and municipalities to stay at home as we...
City departments quickly adjusted operations to keep people safe.
Hello, I'm Roosevelt Lyons, Deputy Director of KC Parks. The health and wellness of our staff and guests is our top priority. All KC Parks community centers, museums, and the like will be closed to the public through April 4th, 2020.
We set up new web pages with COVID information and community resources. We suspended water cutoffs, extended the tax filing deadline, and quickly shifted more services online. City council meetings and municipal court hearings moved to virtual platforms. And we learned to wash our hands better. We also learned to mourn the victims of COVID, including our own employee, EMT Billy Birmingham.
The passing of Billy Birmingham deeply saddens all of us in the Kansas City, Missouri Fire Department, and brings home the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic.
We may not like wearing a mask, but masks can stop the spread of the virus.
So the way we protect everybody is wearing these masks. And they're hot and they're uncomfortable, and not everybody knows how to wear them correctly, but we're learning.
There is a significant conversation right now about reopening. It's because COVID remains a significant threat.
By early May, there were 730 cases in KCMO and about 3,000 metro-wide. Our city council created a small business relief fund and distributed $500,000 in loans to 28 KCMO small businesses.
But somewhat more significant, we're requiring face coverings when indoors in all public accommodations. First of all, we are extending our mask order in Kansas City, Missouri indefinitely to run along with our state of emergency order.
The KCMO Health Department partners with community agencies to hold free testing events for residents in every part of the city. Plus millions of dollars in federal CARES funding through Clay and Jackson counties is being distributed for COVID relief and to pay for pandemic expenses.
We're giving money to these groups because they have access to our citizens who desperately need the money. This is not for the organization, this is for them to help the people who so desperately need it.
At the 6-month mark of the pandemic's move into our city, it has killed more than 100 KCMO residents with nearly 10,000 confirmed cases. We need to mask up, maintain 6 feet of physical distance, and keep each other safe.